everyone, my name is Markus Neuhoff and welcome to my course Android Location Aware Apps with Kotlin. I'm an Android developer with a passion for sharing technical knowledge. Accessing location data can greatly enhance your Android app, and there are many different APIs to leverage. This course serves as a starting point for the complex world of location data on Android. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include understanding the different location APIs and which one is right for your use case, adding Google Maps to your app, the Android location permissions process, making your app location aware, and finally, setting up geofences. By the end of this course, you'll know the different options available for location data on Android, how to select the right one, and how to implement it. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with building a basic Android app using Kotlin. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Android development with courses on advanced location concepts and event-driven architecture. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to add location capabilities to your app with the Android Location Aware Apps with Kotlin course at Pluralsight.